Hi everyone, I'm Michael and I'm here at IronFX with Charalambos Pissouros, IronFX's very own senior analyst, and we're here to discuss the upcoming elections, an event that receives so much coverage over the global media.
Well, indeed, following Brexit, the US election has taken center stage and everyone is concerned on the market impact.
Okay, so here are some of the important questions coming directly from investors through our campaign with the hashtag #AskIronFXAnalysts. So on Tuesday, US citizens will be called in to decide who will lead their country over the next 4 years. The two major presidential candidates differ vastly on their economic policies. How do you expect the financial markets to respond to each candidate's victory?
Well, it's hard for someone to predict how the financial world will respond to a race like we've never seen before. The two major candidates appear unique compared to what we are used to, and this is proven by the headlines that marked this race, such as FBI investigations, as well as some of their extreme political positions like building a wall at the Mexican border. However, based on how markets have reacted so far to developments with regards to this race, and especially the first presidential debate, we believe that a Trump win could lead to an environment of risk aversion across markets, mainly due to the hate and uncertainty surrounding his policies.
But this would be negative for the risky assets, right?
Yes, US equities and pro-risk commodity currencies like the Aussie and the New Zealand dollar could come under selling interest. In the same logic, this could lead to a rally in safe haven assets such as gold and the yen.
Okay, and Clinton, what if Clinton wins?
And Clinton win may signal the continuation of the current political status quo, given that her policies are more or less similar to Obama's. Thus, her victory could largely have the opposite effects across markets. It may be a risk-on trigger, leading to a rally in US stocks as well as in pro-risk currencies. Meanwhile, safe havens are likely to tumble.
Okay, so this particular currency has been dubbed the barometer of this race. Given Trump's protectionist policies and how tough his stance is toward Mexico, what about the Mexican peso?
Well noted. Michael, if Trump is crowned as the winner, the Mexican peso is likely to slump on speculation that NAFTA may be scrapped, while a Clinton victory may cause a relief rally in the currency. Indeed, following the first debate when Clinton was seen as the winner by financial markets, the peso strengthened significantly. Now, the 1 week implied volatility of USD-MXN has surged the most compared to other currency pairs that can be affected by the election result. Okay, someone could argue that this may be due to the expected volatility in the dollar, but the implied volatility in euro-dollar is much lower than in USD-MXN. This suggests that yes, the peso is very likely to feel the heat of this election outcome. What is more, if you pay attention to the pattern occurring when you compare the poll battle and MXN, you can see that every time Trump approaches Clinton, the peso weakens while the currency strengthens when Clinton extends her lead.
Okay, so you've mentioned pro-risk currencies, safe haven assets and other asset classes, but we didn't mention the local currency, which is also the global reserve currency. So tell us what you think about the US dollar.
You are right, and this isn't because I forgot it. In our view, the reaction in the dollar remains ambiguous. Market chatter suggests that the Trump victory will be negative for the dollar, but we are not so sure.
But the greenback has lost ground as Trump gained momentum in the polls over the last few days.
That may not be a sign of negative correlation between Trump and the dollar, but rather a sign of increasing uncertainty. The closing gap in the poll battle makes the outcome even more uncertain as the voting day gets closer, and uncertainty isn't something that institutional investors like. Also, if we recall the market reaction after the first debate, when Clinton was seen as the winner and many asset classes moved in response, the dollar remained largely indifferent, supporting our view.
Well, thank you, Charalambos. I hope we've covered the followers' concerns over the 2016 US elections. Thank you for watching and keep sending us your questions using the hashtag #AskIronFXAnalysts.
We will try to cover them all on the second part of the pre-election analysis videos.
And for more information, download the full analysis report on IronFX.com. Also, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube channel to get the latest market updates. I'm Michael.
And I'm Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, wishing you
Solid trading.